Hi, I'm Jackie from Chirp magazine, and this is my assistant, Abbott. And today, Abbott and I are going to try and blow up a balloon using only a bottle and a chemical reaction. You want to get started? Okay. For this experiment, you need a plastic or glass bottle, baking soda, white vinegar, a funnel, and a balloon. So the first thing you do is pour your vinegar into the bottle. See that? Very good. And then we want to pour our baking soda into the balloon, but
we need a funnel.
We need a funnel. Because getting it in here would be pretty hard without a funnel. So we put the funnel inside the balloon. Good. Hang on to it. And then we shake our baking soda down into the balloon. Once your balloon is full, open it wide and stretch the opening over the bottle. I'm going to keep holding it just in case.
It blows up.
I don't think it'll blow up. But then we want to shake your baking soda down into the bottle and see what happens. Whoa!
Good.
It worked! Yay, science!
Science rules!